Right, guys, Lucy, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at the donuts.
Oh, they do look nice, look, but you don't work for the police.
I don't know.
You work for me. There's £5. I want a savvy meal.
Okay. So first off, 2 chicken breasts, and they're $2.29. Next, we need some cream cheese, and that's coming in at 95p. Next, some red onions at 95p, and red pepper at 55p. Some spaghetti at 28p. And finally, some fajita mix at 35p.
Right, so what exactly are we having then, Lou?
Chicken fajita spaghetti.
Right, let's get to the tills and toss it up. Well, the question is, are we in budget?
Probably not.
We'll have to see. And that's coming in at £5.37, so it's a fail. So that £5 goes in the charity box. Well, just over budget, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it. So let's get it home.
And cook it up.
So back home now, Lucy.
It was a fail, I do know that. Only 37p over. That is because they don't do single onions. And that's the same with Aldi as well. They don't do single onions. I'm going to do a fajita chicken spaghetti, and it's that simple. So first off, I'm going to get the onions cut. I'm only going to be using 2, so that will be going in my store cupboard for another meal. Next, cut our pepper up. Now they're all chopped up, you now want to get your spaghetti in. We're going to be using half this packet. Right, the spaghetti's cooking away, and I'm just going to cut in the chicken with my trusty scissors, and that's going in a hot oiled pan. Give that a mix up in there and get that browned off. Now it's browned off a bit, add your veg. Give it a mix up. Then you want to be adding half your fajita mix. And then give that a good mix up as well. Next, I'm adding the soft cheese. Now this is the garlic and herb one, just to give it a bit of extra flavour. I'm adding it all in. Then the rest of the fajita mix. And give that a good mix up. Mark, come over here and have a look. So I added 3 ladles of water from the spaghetti water into the mix, and now going to add the spaghetti. And why don't you hit the follow button for more savvy meals? So pop this into here, all of it goes in, and then we're going to give it a good mix around again. And that is now ready to serve. Mark, have you got your bowl?
I sure have, I'm ready. Oh, look at this.
And that is a huge portion size as well.
That'll easily fill a family of 4, that. Easily. And there you go, guys. Another savvy meal from Lucy Lou. Let's give it a try and see what it's like. Here we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Really creamy. Loads of flavour. And what a bargain. Guys, if you're doing a copy of this is the receipt. Available from Lidl, and it'll cost you £5.37. Plus you get an extra onion spare.
And half your spaghetti.